Hey, Ford owners! If you've got a 2017 to 2022 F Super Duty, a 2016 to 2022 F650 or F750 with the 6.7L diesel, a 2015 to 2019 Transit with the 3.2L comma, or an F153.0L diesel from 2018 to 2021. Listen up. There's a service memo out, SSM 50323, not a recall, not a TSB, but an internal Ford heads up for dealers. Here's what you need to know. If your check engine light pops on with a P206C code and your truck suddenly loses power, that's not your engine dying. So what does P206C actually mean? Technically, it's reductant quality sensor circuit range performance. In plain English, your truck's computer thinks the DEF fluid quality is too low or the sensor isn't reading right. Poor DEF quality can happen for a few reasons. If DEF is exposed to air, it can absorb moisture and break down. Storing DEF in hot or freezing temps, or leaving the cap loose, lets contaminants in. And using cheap off-brand DEF can mean impurities that mess with the sensor readings. When DEF gets contaminated or breaks down, the sensor detects it and triggers the P206C code. That's why you might see warning lights and experience reduced power. The fix? Ford says just drain the old DEF and refill with fresh, good quality fluid. No parts, no warranty claim. Low DEF quality isn't covered. Just swap the fluid, clear the code, and you're back on the road. Now, this isn't a safety issue, so don't expect a recall. If you change the DF and that code's still there, check the quality sensor's wiring and connectors. Sometimes they go bad. Forum folks say some DF heater issues have gotten extended warranty coverage, so if you replaced a heater or sender, check if you're eligible for a refund. Quick tip. Always store your DF between 12 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, sealed tight. That keeps it from breaking down and keeps your sensors happy. Bottom line, if you see P206C, start with fresh DF from a legit source. Then check wiring if problems continue. Got questions? Drop a comment below, like, and subscribe for more no-nonsense Ford fixes.